Hi, my name's Richard, and I absolutely do not want to record this video and upload it to YouTube. Only yesterday did I upload a walk and talk that pointed to Joe Rogan and Elon Musk about the issues within the UK and the problems that we have regarding free speech and all that good stuff, and the problems that instigate the drive for e-speech. Not e-speech, free speech. Sorry about the background with the dog barking. Today is... Oops, hang on. Today, let's get this right, is the 2nd of November. Hopefully, no, you can't see that. 2nd of November. I've got face tracking on. Last night, in the UK, on a train, was a terrible attack where 9 innocent people were stabbed. On a train. Let that just sink in. Let that just sink in. Only a couple of days ago was another major incident, and a couple of days ago prior to that was another major incident in the UK. This is now becoming commonplace. This is a terrible, terrible situation. I do not want to do this video as a walk and talk, but for the love of God, something is going wrong and the government are not doing what they are meant to do. Correct me if I'm wrong. Something needs to happen. I heard on one of the radio stations that apparently there are some 3,000 people, known people in the UK that can create bombs. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. What is happening with the UK? Something needs to be done, and to be done drastically. I'd heard that a chap on the train was going to use a bottle of Jack Daniels to defend himself. That's now an interesting dimension. Is it a case where people are going to carry bottles of wine or something where they can quickly turn that bottle of wine into an offensive weapon, which could be easily done, to protect themselves from crazy things that are happening in the UK? I was going to talk about artificial intelligence and the misconceptions of artificial intelligence today, but it just didn't feel appropriate. What's your thoughts on this Cambridgeshire train incident? I cannot believe now that on public trains, on what is in effect a Saturday evening, you can't trust anybody. Like they said in the film The Thing, 1982, where he was struggling with trust, and they said, trust's a hard thing to come by. Maybe you should trust in the Lord. Well, there you go. That sets everything going, doesn't it? I moved out to Akershall, Staffordshire, knowing it was a sleepy hollow and nothing's going to happen here while I'm still in the UK. But I guarantee you, if nothing gets done, in 5 years' time, Akershall will be just like Manchester or Birmingham or London or any other major city. All the sleepy hollows around the UK will turn into devastation if nothing's done. And based on the governments of the past 10 years, nothing will be done. Is it a case now that you've got to start protecting yourself? I don't know. I really don't know. When Tina says, oh, let's go to London, or let's go to Birmingham, or let's go to Manchester, I always say I don't want to go to these areas because I'm always looking over my shoulder, making sure nothing suspicious is happening. And maybe now, based on this episode of the train last night, and 2 days prior, and 2 days prior to that, maybe she'll start realising that being in major public scenes is not the place for us to go. Keeping in sleepy hollows like Eccleshall is the best place to be at this moment in time. What's your thoughts? I didn't want to do this walk and talk number 12 on this matter, but this is going wild. I'll bring it to an end. See you soon. Bye-bye.